Um, Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. Um, my coaching personality. Today I'm going to describe my coaching. Her name, her name is Sophia. And she is 23 years old. We have been very close since we were children. And so I know her personality very well. And the first thing people notice about her is that she's really friendly and extremely patient. And she always smiles when she meets new people and she makes everyone feel comfortable. Um, she's also highly responsible because she never forgets her duties and she always finishes everything on time. One of the things I admire the most is that she is deeply committed to her family and whenever whenever the someone needs help, she is the first person to be helped. And she listens carefully and gives good advice and supports everyone without expecting in this and good time. She is also quietly confident. She doesn't like showing off and she believes in words are to achieve her goals. Um, every day. Um, es- she studied what carefully and speak about I speak carefully also before making important decisions because she likes to think about every situation and when she has free time she spends is reading books, exercising or visiting program pages. Um, she always enters and think and talks to the one. Sometimes she can be deeply concerned about the people and she loves, for example, if someone in the family is sick for her problem, she was a lot. However, she stays calm um, and tries to find a solution instead of complaining. I think that is one of her best quality. Another thing I like her is that she learns very quickly. She is absolutely convinced that education is a key to have a better future. So she never stopped learning new things. She is also perfectly happy in when she helps other people, and that makes her a very positive person. Of course, nobody is perfect. Sometimes she is a little stubborn because she wants everything to be done correctly. But even when she disagrees with someone, she always speaks carefully and explains her ideas and clearly. And in my opinion, And my cousin is an amazing person. She is kind, highly responsible, and deeply committed, and extremely patient. She works hard and has others wingly and inspires everyone around her. I think I'm very lucky had her my family because she is a holy my cousin, but doctor and what and all my best friends. Thank you.